coming along. I got some cabinets up. I still have 5 more out in the backyard. So the bathroom is done. I think we'll go back to doing some handyman videos. Kind of break things up a bit. Not much to say about the bathroom. The customers were going to finish it up. That was the plan all along. They did the demo of the shower to begin with. They're going to paint. I think they're making their own border for the mirror. And they're also going to bedazzle the medicine cabinet. So did you guys figure out why there's 2 shower heads? It's so you can take a shower with your dog. You can read into that one a little bit further if you want. This is just a quick walk around. For those that were curious, kitchen cabinets that I took out of the kitchen that I'm remodeling. Like I said, I still have 5 out in the backyard, and they are going to go along that wall. They are shorter. They're not the 42, so they'll be up high above the drill press. Still going to do a lot of rearranging. I'm just trying to get the things off of those shelves. So you can see I got some tools up in there. If you got questions about the workshop, feel free to ask them in the comment section. Also about the bathroom. If you got any questions, I'll be happy to answer them. I think that's it. Goodbye. Now that the texture's on the wall, I didn't record knocking it down, but you've probably seen me do it before. You just take a knife and knock it down. What I'm working on now is finishing out this edging, and I got these rounded corner beads in here, these bullnose corners, which they actually look really good now that they're done, but they are not fun to work with this edging. So the edging goes on top of the tile all the way around. So I've got 2 more outside corners, and that's where all the time is in these outside corners. So I'm going to take you down to the garage and show you my setup for cutting these things, because you don't always get it right the first time, so you got to mess around with them. If there were 90-degree angles, this would be done by now. What the heck did I do? I brought up the wrong end. To give you an idea of what a pain in the ass that shower door was, these are most of all the Allen wrenches that came with it. Just got a vise lagged to a 2x10 or 2x12. These are all the scrap pieces of that edging that I had to cut. This is, geez, the dog scared the crap out of me. The cut piece from the bar that the shower doors are on. Not sure if you can see me because of this window's got me backlit. But today is the last day at this bathroom, and Right now I'm just putting the new shower trim in. I didn't touch any of the plumbing inside the wall. All I'm doing is putting this bronze colored shower head and the trim on the outside. I'm on to the other side. This is what they ordered. It's just a Delta trim kit for what they had. I'm pretty sure you can find these for just about any manufacturer. This one actually comes with an extra cartridge, but I'm not going to be putting those in. Comes with the new shower head. So my portion of the bathroom is done. The remaining things is paint, medicine cabinet, mirror, light fixture. I think they're going to do something with that fan over there. But this is what it looks like. Got the trim all switched out. These are some serious eco shower heads. I told them how to pull them apart and pull out the restrictor though. They both are going. It's actually not too bad of water pressure for two at a time. Not much else to show. Closet's done. Baseboard's in the closet. They did this little cutout section. I don't know if they've got something tall to put in there, but they'll handle that. Toilet still works. Of course it still works. One thing people ask is, do I caulk the toilet to the floor? And the answer is yes, I do. I usually set the toilet and go about my business working, and after a few days of just routine flushes, I check to make sure that I have a good seal. Once I know I have a good seal, then I go ahead and caulk it in. This is caulked in with black caulking, so it blends in. You can't even really see the actual caulking. Window came out pretty good. Had to find these bullnose pieces. They don't make bullnose in this tile, so I got, that's actually meant to go on a floor, and I cut off the cove. The cove was on that side and it's all cut off. They obviously are going with a gray vanity. Show you the doors. This is the door and the toe kick that will go on. It's kind of like some gray whitewashy antique look to them. So I'll see if they can get me some pictures when it's done. Actually, I was just going to look in the mirror, but there is no mirror. Once it's done, maybe they'll be able to send me some pictures before the video goes up, so you know exactly what they chose for paint color and medicine cabinet and a mirror. And also the like towel bar holders and stuff. It's always neat to see what people choose. I mean, are they going to keep this chrome recessed one or go with something different? Really like the floor. It is going to be difficult to, I guess, keep clean as far as like little dust specks and hair and stuff that will show up. The grout will never look dirty because it's black. So they got that working for them. Oh, in case you were wondering, I didn't forget a cabinet. This is where the miter saw is going to go. So there's a little more than 8 feet to the right and to the left, because this is 20 feet deep here, this whole wall. So I have a new miter saw, not this dinosaur. Got to get rid of this thing too. New miter saw is going to go right there, and what do you call this thing? The bed, whatever this flat surface is going to be at the same height of the countertop whenever I get that in there.